Dude, now I'm going to tell how to find out volume of sphere. Here they have given a sphere. In this sphere they have given radius 1 unit. You need to find out volume. Volume of sphere you can find it out as 4 by 3 times of pi r cube. So it's going to become 4 by 3 times of pi times of, here radius is 1 unit, so it is 1 cube. 1 cube meaning it is 1 times of 1 times of 1, 1 times of 1 is 1, again 1 times of 1 is 1. It's going to become 4 by 3 times of pi times of 1. Now you cannot divide this one 4 by 3. 4 by 3 times of pi is 4 pi by 3, and 4 pi by 3 in denominator times of 1, it remains same. 4 pi by 3 cubic units is the volume of this sphere. Let's take one more sphere, and in this sphere they have given like this. The radius they have given us 2 units. Here also you need to find out what's the volume of the sphere, and here also you can do it out. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, so it becomes 4 by 3 times of pi times of, here the radius they have given is 2 units, so it is 2 cube. 2 cube means you can write it as 2 times of 2 times of 2. 2 times of 2 is 4, 4 times of 2 is 8, so it's going to become 4 by 3 times of pi times of 8. You cannot divide 3 with 8, so you can multiply here. 4 times of 8 is 32, 32 times of pi, which will become equal to 32 pi. So this is nothing but equal to 32 pi, 32 pi by 3 cubic units. That's the actual volume of this one. That is volume of this sphere. Let's take one more sphere, and they have given this sphere, and in this sphere they have given like this. They have given the radius of the sphere as 5 units. Here also you need to find out what's the volume. The radius is 5 units. You can do in the same way. The volume of the sphere going to become equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this is nothing but equal to 4 by 3 times of pi times of, here the radius is 5 units, so it is 5 cube. That going to become 5 times of 5 times of 5. 5 times of 5 is 25. 25 times of 5 is 125. So this is going to become 4 by 3 times of pi times of 125. Now you cannot divide 3 and 125. 125 times of 4 means it becomes 500. 500 pi by 3 cubic units is the volume of this sphere. Let's find out another sphere's volume. Here you can take like this, and in this sphere they have given the volume of the radius of the sphere as 7 units, and you need to find out what's the volume. And here also you can do in the same way. That is volume of the sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is equal to 4 by 3 times of pi times of, this is radius 7 unit, so it becomes 7 cube. 7 cube means 7 times of 7 times of 7. 7 times of 7 is 49. 49 times of 7 means 50 times of 7 is 350, so it is 49 times of 7, 343. This is equal to 4 by 3 times of pi times of 343, and 343 times of 4, which is 1200 plus 1360, and 1372 pi by 3 units cubic units. That is the volume of this sphere. And let's take another one sphere, and in this sphere you can do like this. After taking this sphere, you're going to get here the radius of this sphere will be equal to 10 units. When the radius is 10 units, you need to find out what's the volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this is going to become 4 by 3 times of pi times of, this is radius which is 10 units, 10 cube. 10 cube means you can write here as 10 times of 10 times of 10. 10 times of 10 is 100. 100 times of 10 is 1000. So it's going to become 4 by 3 times of pi times of 1000. and 1000 times of 4 is 4000. 4000 pi by 3 cubic units is the actual volume of this big sphere. I give one more problem. Do and tell the answer in the comment section. Here in this sphere they have given radius as equal to 11 units. You need to find out what's the volume. The radius is 11 units. Tell the answer in the comment section. Bye.